Today, we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you as we dive into the powerful world of Excel functions. Specifically, we'll be exploring the COUNTIF function, a handy tool that can save you time and effort when dealing with data analysis. Hey Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel all about Lean Six Sigma and continuous improvement tools. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will guide you through the ins and outs of COUNTIF. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what the COUNTIF function does. In a nutshell, COUNTIF allows you to count the number of cells within a specified range that meets a given condition. This condition can be anything from numerical values, text, dates, or even based on specific criteria. It's an excellent tool for analyzing data sets, identifying patterns, and extracting valuable insights. Basic COUNTIF. Let's start with the basics. Suppose you have a list of sales figures and you want to know how many sales exceeded a certain amount. Here's how you can use COUNTIF. Say in these sales figures here, we want to know how many sales points are higher than 500. The formula is like this. So I'm going to type in this cell equals COUNTIF. C2 to C6 is our range here. And then anything over 500 will be counted. So when we press enter, the answer comes out to 2. So let's just do a quick gut check. If I look here, anything over 500, we have 1 and 2. So we know that our COUNTIF function is working correctly. So in a nutshell, this basic COUNTIF will count anything above the value of 500. Next, we want to count something with a range and criteria. So here I've prepared equals COUNTIF. So we're going to count anything in the sales column that is more than 500 plus anything that is less than 200. When we press enter, and it'll give us the answer 3. Before moving on to the next pro tip, if you want to learn more about Lean Six Sigma and continuous improvement tools, check out my book on Amazon. Link is in the description below. Now here's where it gets interesting, using text and the wildcard function. Say we want to how many sales were for apples. So we can easily see here that it's 2. Well, let's say our data set was larger. So the data range is B2 to B6 for a product type. Quotation, type in apple, close quotation, press enter, and it'll give us how many sales points were apples. Say we want to count how many sale points with products that start just with the letter P. Then we can type in here or here. Either spot is fine. We type in P and then put a star. Once we press enter, it's going to count any word that starts with the letter P. Lastly, we have anything with a date criteria. So in this example, I'm going to write COUNTIF. So we're going to count in the column A, our dates, only if the date equals February 14th. And yes, that is Valentine's Day. Press enter, and it's 2. So we've counted, there's been 2 data sets that have the date February 14th and returns the number 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, never stop improving.